So yeah, very intrigued about the design of the shoe and about how it might look on feet. Hey, what up guys, Pabs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. I don't know what's up with Nike, but they've been sending really large boxes for no reason at all. I don't necessarily mind it that much, but you know, I'm not trying to get my entire overhead shot covered. You know, like I like to get the little table in the shot as well, make it better for you guys. Ooh, that was smooth. Anyway, so for today's unboxing, we got the Air Huarache. Oh, I didn't cut that. There you go. Oh, whoa. Oh, they caught a bag of airbag with the tape. Then we ripped one apart. Oh, no way. Oh, no. See, the first couple of times it was fun, but this is the next hypebeast fashion trend coming up. You know, little airbag scarf covering up even my wrist, covering up the ice on the wrist. Anyway, so like I was saying, today I got the Air Huarache Gripp in the flight colorway. Funny thing is, I've never had a pair of Huaraches before. Also, if I sound weird when I say Huaraches, it's because I am used to saying Huarache in Spanish. I grew up in Mexico, so the first thing that comes to my mind is the other kind of Huarache. But yeah, these released back in October of 2018. I was pretty intrigued by this take on the sneaker. It's got a shroud, that's the word, right? A shroud in the front that's meant to protect against weather conditions. So yeah, very intrigued about the design of the shoe and about how it might look on feet. A little bit weird. The shroud made with the same material from the transparent upper on the multiple shoes that we have seen on the channel before. The booty finish to it. It gives me a really ACG type vibe, which I like, but the fact that it's combined with a Huarache is just kind of like some really weird combination. I am going to be taking off the shroud a little bit later to see how it looks without it. Oh, look at this. You can, oh, it's like magnetic. Oh, it's magnetic. Look at that. So I don't even need to push too much on it. I just, oh. Bro, this is crazy, actually. But yeah, let's go ahead and start taking a look at these because I know they're going to take me a while. So definitely the one thing that attracted me the moment I saw the pictures was the shroud up top. So Air Huarache written across of it in like a circle figure. And then you got the Huarache symbol, dead center of the shroud. Now, let me go ahead and take it out. You got the two ends on the inside and outside holding the shroud together. So you would just kind of let loose of those two like that, and then the front again by a magnetic little clip-on thingy. The sneaker does come with laces though, and the zipper. So actually on the zipper you got Huarache and a Nike swoosh. I don't get the laces though, so would I do that and then that? Whoa, okay. What is that? Oh, whoa, hold on, there you go. But yeah, pretty interesting, this inner booty, this inner part, sock-like part of the shoe with the same Huarache symbol, the same Huarache branding on it. I like it, really thin, really breathable, and stretchy as well. I'm liking that so far. And really, I'm liking that about the sneaker on itself. It feels like it's gonna be really comfortable to wear, although there's like all these layers and all these things going on. On the outside, nothing really. A bunch of design patterns over here in the back. The two things where the shroud was holding onto. Moving towards the front, you got the Nike swoosh on the toe box. But you do have another Nike swoosh over here on the inside, smaller one. And really same deal on the inside, nothing but the little pattern over here in the back. and the two things holding the shroud. But you have grip written over here. I don't think you can see it on this shot, but you know I got you in the close-up. Going towards the back, you got Huarache white Nike swoosh on the orange heel loop. And below that, you got, once again, grip written on the band over here in the heel area in Air. To remind you that this is a Nike Air midsole. Moving towards the bottom, like I was saying, you got this specifically made grip pattern. You got the really thick triangle sticking out of the outsole. It really looks like they're gonna do the job. It just seems a little bit extreme to me in a way. Like it's a little bit too much, but I get what they were going to keep the whole concept together. Nike swooshes below the heel, and then also Nike Air branding dead center of the shoe over here in the outsole. But you do have a Nike swoosh right below the heel on the insole as well. But yeah, pretty interesting concept for a sneaker. But that's the thing too, it's kind of similar to the SF Air Force One, where like you can only style with a couple of things, but whatever you style with, the shoe itself gives you the freedom to, you know what, you want to wear it like this, you want to wear it with the shroud up top. It's more of a utilitarian. Ooh, that was, I don't even know if I said that word right, but it sounded high level, so I'm kind of proud of myself right now. That was pretty fire. So yeah, it'll be more like one of those utility sneakers that Nike releases for you to be able to have more freedom and have more opportunities or more chances to play around with it, I guess. But right now, let's go ahead and see how it's look on feet.
Yondo.
But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. And remember that if you want to go ahead and purchase the shoe, I am going to have a couple links in the description so you can go ahead and take a look at your options. But yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags. Out.